Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel where delicious meets easy. Today I'm sharing the quickest, easiest and most delicious French toast recipe you'll ever try. And guess what? It takes just 5 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. No fancy ingredients, no complicated steps, just golden, fluffy, mouth-watering French toast ready to brighten your day. And I have a secret tip at the end to take your French toast from basic to bakery worthy. So stick around for that. Let's dive in. Alright, here is what you will need for this 5 minutes masterpiece. 1 large egg, half cup of milk, a drop of vanilla flavor, a drop of coconut essence, 1 teaspoon of sugar or your desired quantity. Bread, thick slices works very best. These are simple ingredients but big flavors. Let's whip this up. In a bowl, break your egg. You proceed to adding your milk. When you're done adding your milk, you add your vanilla flavor. The next thing I did was adding my coconut essence. I love the coconut essence taste in my toast. I proceeded to adding the sugar. You can use honey or any sweetener of your choice. This is the one at my reach. That's why I'm using it. So after adding my sugar, I proceeded to mixing everything together. I mix everything to incorporate very well. So after mixing my ingredients for the toast, after mixing it well, you know why I'm mixing it this well? So that egg, you know that there's egg inside, so that everything will incorporate very well. I set it aside. Then I proceeded to slicing my bread. If you can get rich of a brooch bread, you know those brooch bread, the thick slices, that's the bread that majority of people use for it. But if you can't get rich of brooch bread, you buy your normal bread and slice it to take. You see the size of the slice that I cut. You make it thick. That's the best slice to use for this toast. If you use a tiny slice of bread, you might not get the result like that good and fluffy, results. So it's always advised to use a thick slices of bread. That's the one that works best. So I'm done with the slices of bread that I want. So the next thing I did was to pour my egg milk mixture into a flat bowl. You need to put it onto a flat bowl so that it will be easy for you to dip. Because inside this bowl plate, you can't dip your bread. So you pour it into a flat bowl where you can easily dip and fry your toast. So I now dip my bread inside the toast, inside the egg and milk mixture. I proceeded to my pan. I allowed my pan to heat. I used vegetable oil. I have a butter, but I didn't want to use butter for this particular recipe. I added my vegetable oil. Just add little drop of vegetable oil Then I proceeded to making everything, like the vegetable oil to go around the pan. I proceeded to adding my bread, the bread that I dipped into my egg and milk mixture. I now put it direct to the pan. The sizzle, and this taste and the smell, it was very, very yummy. Proceeded to frying it. You fry both sides to be, golden brown or to your desired color. So I'm done with the first slice that I put inside. You see how colorful it looks? It's very golden, and the taste was So I proceeded to turn it. You keep turning so that you will not burn your bread. So this one is just perfect the way I want it. I removed it from the fire. You have to keep close watch. This is not something you put on the fire and you leave it to go do something else. If not, it will just burn. So I love mine. Like even when I want to eat toast bread, I like it like those little burnt. So you see how colorful it looks. It was very, very yummy. So I proceeded to frying everything. Okay, now here's that tip, the secret tip I promised. Right after flipping the toast, sprinkle a tiny bit of sugar on it, on the cooked side. It caramelizes it for it to be crispy, sweet crust. Like, trust me, this takes it to the next level. And there you have it. The quickest, the easiest, most delicious 5 minutes French toast. If you're loving this recipe, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will never miss a quick and tasty recipe from me. Yes, guys, thanks so much for watching. Until next time, stay delicious and keep those plates full of flavor. Bye.